You know what that music means. Neighborhood Eats in downtown San Antonio this morning, focusing on food for the Final Four. And not just any food, by the way. Marvin's mission is finding restaurants within walking distance of the Alamo Dome.
We begin at the Sheraton Gunter's Market on Houston. Right foot the walk is about 30 minutes to 205 East Houston Street, but you can refuel with their Texas Okawashi 1909 burger, stacked with tobacco onions, pork belly on monster cheese, and fries for days.
Push strategy. All in favor of push strategy, say aye.
Ooh, good.
Next stop, Pete's Taco House. 502 Brooklyn Avenue is about a 31-minute walk from the Dome, but worth every step. Fresh off the grill, Neighborhood Eats got Pete's Special Street Tacos with a chorizo fajita mix on 5 corn tortillas with all the trimmings and charro beans.
This is my new adopted dish.
19 minutes away from the Alamo Dome is 401 South Alamo Street. That's where we found Italian restaurant Nonna Osteria and Chef Luca whipping up gnocchi e conillo. It's braised rabbit and dumplings with olives and fontina cheese.
Ooh. Two words, que rico.
Our final stop is an 8-minute walk from the big game. Welcome to Smoke Downtown, a barbecue bar experience at 1168 East Commerce Street. They tried to sneak us right out of the gate with this huge taste test, starting with their porky nacho stack. Then there's a sandwich called the Rump Shaker with pulled pork, beef sausage, bacon, and slaw with the Carolina sauce on a bun. Oh, and there's these 3 skillets, macaroni and cheese, corn, and Brussels sprouts.
These sides are jamming.
Did I mention the St. Louis style ribs? How about a pound of brisket, leg quarters, a pound and a half of pulled pork, 4 sausage links, and a pound of turkey? Then we could wash it down with a sangria, a margarita, a chocolate or cucumber martini, and an old fashioned. But at this point, Neighborhood Eats is officially stuffed. Marvin Hurst, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.